Nigeria government, Bikonu, I use God to beg you people. It's better we close this embassy here. Because this nonsense embassy has no even simple feeling about Nigerians in Switzerland. You will book an appointment in embassy, call them, register for the passport, pay everything. Calling embassy from day one, embassy, nobody will pick your call. Write email to embassy, embassy will never reply your email. And there is people receiving salary. What type of rubbish office is this? Are we causing that country as a country? People are here receiving salary all the time. They can never pick call. They can never write any message. Can you nonsense country de fact? Can you country na Nigeria? Can you useless country de fact? Abulu no. Somebody will drive from Schaffhausen, 2 hours plus. Here, no info. Una walide shiro bitch, they never know, and they deceive them madu. Eh? People are in this office, but you'll be calling them, nobody will pick call. America never get on. This motor about the hopeful one. This useless one about the hopeful one. Eh? People are here. Can you nonsense country if I'm upon Nigeria? You will write email, nobody will reply your email. You call the phone, call phone, nobody will pick the nonsense call. Can you nonsense country upon Nigeria de fact? When you drop the another ambassador, others the another no receive salary, but they will never do something about their citizens. That lockdown, the corona will kill all of you in this office. Kuno halu office corona ya June and do na mana free. Corona. Very useless idiot. Ndala. If I have on Facebook, itakuna fia. Very useless people. Ndala. Una rubu un embassy. Kiteba na lata tu na ya dia. Ndocho. Ne. Esim Schaffhausen nyali moto e biara no wa. 2 hours plus. There this useless place. Now you're not this nonsense embassy. Nigerian embassy Ben, Switzerland. Ndia we de wala nyewa no as workers. Very useless idiots. Corona yabu no chani na that lockdown no. Corona yabu all of you in this place.
La 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 la.